Hello tractor community, my name is Frank and today I will show you the tractor that my dad restored. It's a 1930 Ford versatile tractor. It's a 1993 I think, and it has a 116 horsepower um, Iveco Ford engine, the original engine. We purchased that in that tractor. We purchased it in the at the auctions, and yeah, so he completely restored it, except for the wheels and the engine. The engine was running quite good, so we did not. We checked it. We inspected and we made sure that everything was right, but we restored every bolt except for the engine. The frame is completely repainted, new decals, and yeah. So let's do a quick walk around. So as you can see, only the wheels and tire were not repainted. The the rest of the tractor was fully restored. Um, this unit did not have any attachment at the front, which is the part of the engine. Uh, we we made sure that it was the correct color code, which was the 1965 to 1996 or 99 New Holland color paint, and yeah, so we painted everything, cleaned the glasses, uh, put new lights, LED setup, new radio. Uh, the only non-original part of the tractor is the bucket. It was a, I don't know. They used where it was. It was in the Montreal City Fleet, and they were using that tractor to unload, to clean the snow on the, like, for a garage. And yeah, so, and that's one thing, one surprise we had when we checked differential fluids. By the way, we changed every fluid on the tractor, but the we had a surprise on this differential. The front one was really, it was all broken down. By the back one was okay. We checked it, we opened it, and everything was fine, but the front one was really bad. In fact, it was not even 4x4, it was a two-wheel drive tractor when we got it. So yeah, we had to put a $3,000 on the rear end, and we put a Detroit locker, which is far better from the original clutch, like VLSD equipped that it was. We repainted everything inside the cabin. Uh, yeah, and the purists won't be happy, but we put a, like, a Chinese V-verse seat, and it is very comfortable. Uh, so yeah, and we added some sticks because the bucket is operated by foot, which is very uncommon for us because we're used to normal tractors. And yeah, so we had to put that, and it's working quite well. And yeah, in fact, I have a video that I will put next in this video, that will show you the tractor in action, unloading some scrap that were going to the recycling center. So yeah, thank you.